Hey everyone, did you know that snacking can actually help you lose weight? Eating healthy snacks throughout the day can help keep you full and prevent overeating at meals. But if you're trying to lose weight, it's important to choose healthy snacks that are low in calories and high in nutrients. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 healthy snacks for weight loss. The first snack idea is apple slices with almond butter. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories, while almond butter is high in healthy fats and protein. Simply slice up an apple and dip it into some almond butter for a delicious and satisfying snack. A second snack idea is Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in calories, while berries are high in fiber and antioxidants. Simply mix together some Greek yogurt with your favorite berries for a quick and easy snack. The third snack idea is carrots with hummus. Carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, while hummus is high in protein and healthy fats. Simply slice up some carrots and dip them into some hummus for a crunchy and satisfying snack. The fourth snack idea is rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes are low in calories and high in fiber, while avocado is high in healthy fats and nutrients. Simply spread some mashed avocado onto a rice cake for a quick and easy snack. And finally, the fifth snack idea is hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are high in protein and can help keep you full between meals. Simply boil some eggs ahead of time and keep them in the fridge for a quick and easy snack. And there you have it, 5 healthy snacks for weight loss that you can start using today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.